Hello friends, today we will discuss about mirror equation, or the question is like this: obtain mirror equation for the real image obtained by a concave mirror, or prove mirror equation, or prove that 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. So, to prove the mirror equation, we already know this is concave mirror, this is pole P, this is principal focus, and here center of curvature. Suppose we place an object AB away from center of a curvature. So, yesterday we discussed that how we get an image of an object. We discussed that when two or more rays are intersect after the reflection, then we get an image of an object. So here we assume two rays. First ray, which is parallel to the principal axis, like this. This is the first ray which is parallel to the principal axis and striking at point Q. After that, after striking at point Q, after the reflection, this ray is passed through the principal focus like this, right? Now for second ray, a ray from an object incident on pole P. After reflection, the ray passes like this. This is our reflected ray. So here these two rays are intersect at this point. So this is the image of A. So we can say that this is A dash and this point is B dash. So here this is the image of object AB, which is A dash B dash. I repeat, this is our concave mirror, this is pole P, F principal focus, C center of curvature, AB which is an object. Here we place object AB away from center of curvature C. To get an image, we have to consider the two rays. Our first ray, which is parallel to the principal axis and striking at point Q. After reflection, this ray is passed through the principal focus like this, right? Now second ray is strike at point P, which is pole, and after reflecting, this ray is passed like this. So here we get image A dash B dash of object AB, right? So we have also discussed the rules for the distance measurement. So here the distance between pole and object AB, which is denoted by object distance U, right? Okay, but here as per the rule, the distance measured in the direction of incident ray are taken positive, but here the distance we measure from pole to the object, so we are going to the opposite side of the incident ray, so we have to denote this by minus U, right? Now distance between C and P, which is our radius of curvature R, but we can say that this is minus R because we measure distance opposite to the incident ray. The distance between pole and image, which is image distance, denoted by minus V, and the distance between principal focus and the pole, denoted by focal length, small f. So here PB is object distance, PC radius of curvature, PB dash image distance, and PF focal length, right? Okay, we have to prove mirror equation. You already know the equation of mirror. 1 by U plus 1 by V is equals to 1 by F, right? Now here we draw a normal from point Q here to the principal axis like this, right? Okay, we denoted this point by R. You already know the distance between P and R is very less, so we can neglect this distance. So we can say that FR is equals to FP, CR is equals to CP, and BR is equals to BP. Because the distance between R and P is very less, we neglect this distance. Okay, now we write some sentence. So as shown in figure, we can write that an object AB placed away from C as shown in figure. The AQ ray from A incident on mirror at point Q and reflected ray is passed through the principal focus F. The AP ray which is incident on pole P, after reflection both rays meet at one point, which is the image A dash B dash of an object AB. So here FP, which is focal length, small f, CP, which is radius of curvature, minus r, BP, object distance, minus u, and B dash P, image distance, minus v. So here, as per the geometry, we can say that here triangle ABP, see here, triangle ABP and A dash B dash P are the similar triangle. I repeat the sentence. As per geometry, triangle ABP, this, and triangle A dash B dash P are similar. So we can say that here triangle ABP and triangle A dash B dash P are similar. So we can say that here the ratio of these two sides of the triangle are same, right? So here we can say that AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P, right? I repeat, AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P. You can see that AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P. So we can write that AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P. We can also write that A dash B dash upon AB is equals to B dash P upon BP. We can also like this. So we know the value of B dash P. B dash P image distance minus V, and BP, which is object distance, minus U. So we can say that B dash P minus V upon BP minus U. So we can say that A dash B dash upon AB is equals to V by U. This is our equation number 1. I repeat it. Here, as per the geometry, triangle ABP and A dash B dash P are similar. So the ratio of two sides of the triangle are same. So we can say that AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P. So AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P. So here I write it. AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P. Or A dash B dash upon AB is equals to B dash P upon BP. We know the value of B dash P, which is minus U. B dash P minus V and BP minus U. So we can say that A dash B dash upon AB is equals to V by U. And here this is our equation number 1. Or from the figure, there are another two triangles which are similar. See, here triangle A dash B dash F, this triangle A dash B dash F and triangle QRF are similar. I repeat, here triangle A dash B dash F, this, and QRF are similar. So we can say that triangle A dash B dash F and triangle QRF are similar, right? These two, A dash B dash F and QRF. So we can say that A dash B dash upon QR is equals to B dash F upon FR. I repeat, A dash B dash upon QR is equals to B dash F upon FR. See here, A dash B dash upon QR is equals to B dash F upon RF or FR. So we can write that A dash B dash upon QR is equals to B dash F upon RF or FR, right? Okay, you can see from the figure that AB and QR are same. See, AB and this is QR. So instead of QR we can write AB, right? So we can write that, so A dash B dash upon, instead of QR we can write AB is equals to value of B dash F. Here see the figure, this, we have to find the value of B dash F, this value, right? But we don't know the value of B dash F, but we know that B dash P is equals to minus V and FP minus F, right? So if we want to find B dash F, then we can say that B dash F is equals to B dash P minus FP, right? So we can write that instead of B dash F, we can write that B dash F is equals to B dash P minus FP, right? So here I write that A dash B dash upon AB is equals to, instead of B dash F is equals to B dash P minus FP upon RF. So we know the value of B dash P. Here B dash P is equals to minus V minus, value of fp which is minus f, so minus f upon rf. So rf or fp, rf and fp are same, so we can say that rf or fp minus f, right? So here I also write fp is equals to rf, right? Because the distance between r and p very less, negligible, right? So we can say that, so a dash b dash upon ab is equals to minus v plus f upon minus f, right? Minus v, minus plus f upon minus f. If we take minus common, so we can write that v minus f upon f, right? Minus common, so v is positive, f is negative, this minus cancel, so we can say that v minus f upon f. This is our equation number 2. So here you can see that equation 1, a dash b dash upon ab is equals to v by u, and a dash b dash upon ab is equals to v minus f upon f. So here the left hand side of equation 1 and 2 are same, so we can compare the right hand side of the equation. So here from equation 1 and equation 2 we can write that, so from equation 1 and 2 we can write that from equation 1 v by u is equals to, from equation number 2, v minus f divided by f. So v minus f divided by f. So by cross product v into f, so vf is equals to u into v minus f, so we can write that uv minus uf, right? So here we have to prove the equation 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. So we have to prove relation between u, v and f. So we divide this equation by u, v, f. So dividing by u, v, f, we get vf upon uvf is equals to uv upon uvf minus uf upon uvf. So here vf cancel, uv cancel, uf cancel, right? So we can get 1 by u is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by v. So here minus 1 by v, if we take this 1 by v to left hand side, so we can get 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. So this is our mirror equation, right? We also know that yesterday we proved that r is equals to 2f, right? So f is equals to, r is equals to 2f, so we can say that f is equals to r by 2. So we can also write that 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 2 by r, right? Because of r is equals to 2f. So here mirror equation we can write that 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f, or 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 2 by r. So this is our mirror equation, or you have to remember this equation 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f, or 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 2 by r. So friends, this is your important question for exam. in 3 marks or 5 marks.